Hi guys, I'm Kris.
And I'm Kathy, and welcome to Mask Monday! Woot woot!
On Tuesday.
There you go.
You guys, I have to say before Kathy says anything, we know that you got 2 long videos in a row. We're sorry about that. If you cannot get through them,
just let it run.
No problem.
Just let it run. You don't have to watch it. Just let it run. Give us a count.
Well, regardless of what Catholinie says here, we really, you don't have to watch it. If you can't, we understand. It turned out that way because I had gone home with the
3 of them.
Target. No, I just went home the first time. I went home with the Target haul, and it was attached to something we did. So that had to go on. That one was 52 minutes. Yeah.
Wowzers.
So, and then the next one was what was the next one? I don't remember, but it was like 40 minutes. So
La 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 la.
Go ahead.
It's okay.
No, go ahead.
I don't have nothing to say other than I'm so happy that you stopped by, and I hope you take a moment and grab yourself a mask and do your mask with us. And then comment down in the comments below what you used and what you thought about it, and how much it was, and where you got it. That'd be a lot of fun.
Okay, also, if you need us to say or need her to say one more time about what the giveaway is, just simple, that way.
What we're doing, this is how I figured it out. We have a lot of really nice things. We're going to give pretty much almost a full face of makeup. And the giveaway has to do with drawing us to our goal of 300 subscribers. We only have 36 more to go, and for whoever you get to subscribe to our channel, they need to leave in the comment section below who they were sent by, so I can leave a proper count of each person that has been brought to our channel by you. So I hope you understand that. Just the simple terms. If you refer someone, they subscribe to our channel, they have to tell us who sent them. And whoever gets the most counts is going to be the winner of the giveaway. And I'm really excited about it. We did one last year, and we got like 50-something people, I think. It was quite a bit.
Yeah, but yeah.
We're just trying to make it to the 300. That's all. So that we can say we did 100 a year, because we've been on here 3 years now.
Oh my God.
So come on, people. I love y'all so much. And I just thank y'all. If you can't do it, that's fine too. But I sure would love it if you would try. It'd be nice.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. That helps us out.
Yes,
if you're new, thank you for subscribing.
Yes.
If you already were here, thank you for being loyal.
Yes, we love that about y'all. Yeah. We have good people here.
Yes, we do.
We
all
really
right.
do.
Okay.
Tell them what you're using.
Yeah, this will look familiar because this is the one that I had. I don't know.
It's by Vitamask.
Yeah.
It is a good mask.
Maybe 2 weeks ago. I don't know. But this is the one that if you like cherries,
she does.
You will be in heaven. This mask smells so good, and it doesn't bother me.
That's a big deal because her and I both are sensitive. I'm using the Cream Shop Coconut and Chia, compliments of my sister right here. I actually bought some masks. I can't find any of them. I don't know where they are. And I bought lipstick too. I'm like,
you guys are great. I have a special treat for you in my lipstick. Something that Kathy and I think is, who's that?
I don't know. Oh, it's probably that dude for Mom. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a lady. I saw her driving around. I kid you not. That same lady was driving around the corner. She's probably lost his tweet.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh my Lord.
Okay, well what we're going to do now is
we're going to be taking our mask off and tell them we'll come back on when our face is almost done. Kristen's going to be showing some stuff that she bought.
It's
and
very, very little.
Well, no.
So, I mean, you know.
She's going to be using a new palette today, and I'm going to be using one that's new to me, too. Kristen gave it to me, and it's called Give Them Lala. This is the palette that I'm going to be using today. Give Them Lala. Give Them Lala Beauty.
Okay.
Yep. It's www by givethemlalabeauty.usa. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
And it's
Well-
called the Grown Woman Palette. So I'm doing
Well,
the
that's
Grown
probably.
Woman. Yeah.
Which one? I don't even know which one that came in.
It came
All
in
right,
one of your
gu-
boxes.
All right, guys. We will see you in just a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
She's tired.
Hey guys, we're back. So we're gonna get hopping. She's gonna show you what she's using. I changed my mind. I'm using a Conic London, so I'm gonna get started.
Well, I finally got Birds of Paradise from Revolution.
Oh, wow.
I saw this from Rachel from Just Rach, and I believe that Marilyn Gutierrez Salas has this one as well.
Very pretty.
And they've both done looks with them, and they're extremely pretty.
Yeah, it's a really pretty palette.
Yeah.
I mean, it is.
Okay, so
Very, very, very colorful.
here we go. Mom wants Fiesta in there, so I gotta put Fiesta in there.
Fiesta.
Yeah. Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
my lipstick, if you like it, it's called Insane.
Ooh.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now this one, she does a lot of her, Rachel, she does a lot of her palette bingos and things, but she does 2 at a time.
I know.
So she-
her and whatchamadoodle do that all the time. Marilyn.
You know, I didn't really know that you could burp so much from drinking water. Because it's threatening me right now.
It's funny. She's a burping.
It's about.
All you gotta do is burp twice and you have 900 views.
Did you see?
It's funny.
The guy commented on our last video.
He did?
Yeah, he wants you and Tobin to eat shrimp and then burp.
Oh my gosh.
What
Hey,
in the world?
Oh, we have some
We
people.
have a guy that likes
He likes burping videos. He
burping
thinks it's funny.
videos. Yeah.
People, obviously, it's not just him because,
Oh no, we have
Yeah.
one video that's almost at 1,000 views, Mom.
yep, just from burping.
Yep.
Where, Mama? I'm looking. Oh, that's a purse?
Yes.
I did not know that.
Yeah. And I've had that mother, the same time that Daddy and Mother bought that Texas steak with me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they bought the thing,
Oh,
the purse.
okay. Well, it's really neat. I've never seen one like that before.
Well, the Indians make things like that,
I think it's neat.
as long as if it goes with
Their theme
if they can get, if it goes,
with whatever thread they get
right, uh-huh.
and beads and whatnot.
And so it's, and then the shaggy one that's with stuff hanging down.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's all made out of paper.
What?
That nice brown paper, and
Okay.
I got picked up when we went out.
Or
to-
is that over a basket? I'm trying to figure out which one
Yeah,
you're
it's a
looking at.
basket.
Okay, got it.
It's a basket, and it's like I said, it's made-
Pretty.
Mhm.
Very pretty.
Uh-oh, I sniffle.
Well, I've been that way all day.
Sniffling? Yeah, I hope so
Solid
too.
smoke.
There was just only so much you could get out of there.
Yeah, I know. I helped him every day.
I know, and there were things it's like, do you want that? Take it.
Yep.
Where is
That's
it?
what he did.
Oh,
At his house when he
Oh.
sold his house.
oh, okay.
He had, or has, he went down from 3 to 2 storage units.
What do you do with the stuff in it?
It's still there. Stuff is, in there.
So he lost a storage unit?
He stopped, he moved everything over.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Now, is there anything you need to kind of bring over here?
You mean from over there?
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what he has in there. I know it's a lot of books, because
Well, the books were worth some money.
those are being left to me.
Okay, good. Because if they, I was going to say, don't get rid of them.
No, I won't.
You can sell them, go to the antique roadshow.
He's got some first editions.
Yes, he does. And
It depends on who they're buying, what they're about.
Right.
I mean, not every first edition even is
I
worth
bet you
anything.
if you and
It just
Grandma
depends who the author is.
I
To
know
the,
that.
The antique
I do.
roadshow, I bet you some of Grandma's antiques and
I don't even know if Antiques Roadshow is being filmed anymore.
Yeah, it is.
You
Yeah,
can.
they have them all the time.
No, I know you can see them, but are they reruns?
No, they're from 2021.
they've been
They're from
filming at
the long in
people's
history.
rich houses.
Well,
Yes.
Bob absolutely loves that show.
I
He
do
watches
too.
that show. Oh, I look like the Joker.
The Joker.
Mm-hmm. From Batman.
Yeah, I know who he is.
I do, Mama.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
and there's your father's razor chair.
That has been set in by
Everybody.
every single person here. And every single person. No, I don't want that color. This color. This is not working.
What is it?
Oh, poop.
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 Girls, poop is ready.
Uh-oh, you better run.
Yeah,
Run, run fast.
Run, Forrest!
Okay, I am not being able to.
I didn't realize in the olden days they used the dried poop to build houses.
Well, they stuck it in between like the log
They had
cabins.
to do whatever they had to do.
They
I
stuck it in
imagine.
between the.
You could probably still do that now.
Ew!
Between stones, at what few stones they could find. Because most of them they had to end up going and having.
Well, they call them cow chips, right, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah.
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 That's from Gunsmoke.
Yeah, we watch a lot of television.
Grandma loves guns.
I do
I
too.
do. I really do.
I do too. I'm a Western fan. Oh my goodness, Sunday night, I didn't know if you were awake, but support your they had a James Garner special, and it was support your local gunfighter, support your local sheriff, and something else. I fell asleep after the sheriff gunfighter one. They were good movies. Mom and I both like James Garner,
I do.
and so
Yeah.
I almost called you, Mom, but I didn't want to wake you up if you were asleep.
She goes to sleep pretty early.
Yeah, I just didn't want to wake her up.
The last time I was watching my phone, I was laying on the floor in front of your bed, and I was just playing with my phone. I don't know what it was, but something scared the pee wadding out of me, and I literally threw my phone halfway across your room. I don't know what it was.
What
Something
happened?
just scared me. Some noise. It may have been the phone. Something. I'm not familiar with this phone yet, so we could feel really crappy if he dies on you. Like,
That's what I told her. I said you just need to remember that mice are prone to have tumors.
Buy her a new animal.
Oh,
well,
she
no,
knows
those things are really, they have nervous systems that are
Right.
not great.
Mouses.
Yeah.
For some reason,
How long has she had him?
she adopted him from the.
So we don't really know how old he
from
is.
the pound.
Yes.
Or something.
Really?
Yeah, from one of the
Wow.
places in Houston.
I did not, sorry about the
It might,
sniffing,
it
guys.
might have been the pound. It might be a rescue for those kind of animals.
That's just, I didn't know they had those.
Yeah, they do.
Especially for mice. I didn't expect that at all.
Well, mice get tested on all the time.
Yeah, of course they do.
So do rats, because they're closest to the human beings and the
Ew.
way they're made up.
I don't think they look like humans.
Now, did I say they looked like humans? No.
I don't know, the rats, those kind of gross me out because the tail is so big.
I had one friend, we loved it to death.
I like
Yeah.
Remember Angel?
Yep.
I don't think I would be taking care of a mouse because it's a rodent or considered a rodent, but I actually like the mouse now. Think of it like a Mickey Mouse.
Oh, yeah.
Mickey
But
Man.
he's Malachi.
I gotta blow my nose, people.
We'll blow your nose.
I
okay.
gotta set stuff down here. I'm two again at the same
Are
time.
you hurting Grandma?
Just a little bit to see.
Hey, Mom, do you
You
need...
might need to take your Tylenol.
That's what I was gonna say.
She had taken a gel cap, but it
What?
You know, the child's one, the chewable, you like that one, that helps you better.
But does she have
It's
any?
not
Yeah,
working,
yeah.
so Constance got the adult one.
She got this adult one.
Uh-oh, I just dropped the tissue.
But I don't remember the exact time Grandma took it. I think it's only been a few hours.
Yeah, but you can take it every third hour.
Well, not only that, Mama, did you take the adult one or the children's one, do you know?
Gel cap.
Mom, do you know, did you take the adult one or the children's one on the Tylenol?
Tylenol?
Yeah, the medicine,
Yeah. I think it was only the children's.
the chewable?
Yeah.
I don't know that she
No,
has any
Grandma,
children
you
left.
took the gel one
I
last.
took gel one, but I also took the other one.
So you, in the
No, it's morning, yeah.
This morning she took the children's, and then recently she took the gel, but maybe she needs 2 of them.
That's the thing, she can take 2 of them if she can handle it. But, well, what,
Is that
What?
my dog scratching like that?
The dog?
You don't have a dog.
I mean, I got a cat.
oh, you mean Isabel?
Yeah.
You're seeing my mom in the window, Grandma. She's putting on blush.
I'm not a dog.
No, but your reflection is in the
It's in the
window.
window. I can see it.
Yeah. And it's you putting on the blush.
That's her. She's scratching.
It's Isabel?
Yes.
She was yesterday, Mom, when I was at your house. She was on the window outside the kitchen sink, meowing at me, trying to, and I don't know what she wanted.
Soft food.
Oh.
She can't.
She loves the soft food.
Well, she can't hardly chew anymore. That's the
Why she
problem.
wants the soft food.
Yeah.
Hey Chris, inside of there's stuff for the kitty cat. Is it for Isabel?
Yes, it is.
Oh, for fleas?
She Constance wants help because the cat is probably not going to sit there and let you do that.
Well, if someone will help me, I'll do it.
Yeah, she's got fleas really bad.
Well, unfortunately, and I know this for a fact, they sell that stuff in stores,
It doesn't
but
work.
it doesn't work. That's why the people get them from the vet. Now that kills anything.
Yeah, it does.
I hope that Malachi only has an ear infection.
Honey,
I don't
he's
even-
been bleeding. It's been spurting all over the cake.
Like obsessive compulsive disorder of the mouth.
Oh,
Like
that's
where
funny.
You itch your one spot.
Okay,
That's funny.
I'm going to continue on with my glitter glue.
Ugh,
If y'all can hear any of this conversation,
it's crazy, I tell
that's the
cray
way it
cray.
is. That's the way it is around here.
you.
And I'm going to run out of this glitter glue, so I need to get some. I don't have.
I want some of that glitter glue.
I
But
don't-
not that brand. I want the one that they have by NYX.
I think I have one of those
You do?
in my
It's like right here.
backup.
across.
What? Okay, okay. This is not the one I wanted. Where's the one I wanted? There's the one I wanted. It's not possible that I just hit pan. That's not possible. I just got this one. I'm in Fiesta now, which is the one that Mom wants.
You're not going to believe this. They sell popsicles and all kinds. Oh no, I pulled an eyelash out. Great. They sell all of that stuff. They sell it over at Aldi's now. They have a whole aisle full of her cookies and all these different things that are gluten-free over at Aldi's. It's really cheaper than anywhere I've seen.
This is one weird video.
We don't have
Weird.
to actually do it. I'm not quite
What do you
sure.
need, Mama?
I just need to go in and sit down there.
She can.
I'm right here.
Grandma, she can take you inside. Thank you for coming out.
Well, thank you for having me.
That's our mama. We love our mama.
She
She's so blessing.
Came calling.
I love when she comes out here. And guys, she's out of the hospital. We're so happy she is. That's like a big deal to us. We don't like it when our mom's sick.
No, I don't like it when I'm sick either.
We don't want that. We want you here with us. You're our mama.
Okay, well,
Love
y'all
you,
come
Mom.
in whenever you get
Love you, mama. See you in a little bit. Don't ask me how I did it, but I had to take all that mascara off. It was so clumped up, it looked like a big ball of clump. But
Okay, that's
yeah, that's what I thought too.
very odd.
Very, very odd.
I need, where do I need this? Do I have purple here? Oh, I do. I could have done that. Oh well. Too late.
Too late, baby, now it's too late. Though you really did try to make it. You don't remember that song?
Yeah.
Man, Mom used to play that all the time.
I was just trying to avoid you singing it, so I didn't say it.
Oh, I'm not hurting your ear.
All I have to do is mascara, and then I need to at first line my eyes. I'm gonna do the uppers with the Estate.
Oh, yeah.
It's my favorite one. My lips are so dry.
Dry, baby, dry. Dooba-dabba-dee, dooba-dooba-doo. So make sure on the title on this that you put 4th of July giveaway. Or call it the, you can call it the 300 count 4th of July giveaway. 300 subscriber count. Super important. Love you, love you, love you. You're so sweet. You know I love you, baby girl.
Why are we both off screen?
Oops.
Both of us. I mean,
I don't know. I think we're just having one of them days where it's a humdinger. Hum-diddly-dee, hum-diddly-die, hum-diddly, hum-diddly-die.
I don't know what it is that makes some of these work really well and some of them be caca.
Ah,
I don't get it.
not either.
I'm gonna put a little bit of. Oops. we're both off camera.
Oh, what? What is it?
Nothing. Not a thing. Except for I got lipstick all over me.
That's the only thing about this L'Oreal that I've got is it spreads on your face everywhere.
Where's Insane? I need it again. Here it is. I'm talking to myself.
Oh my gosh, really, Kathy? This is why I don't like this one.
Oh,
Everywhere.
honey, we see. Okay, you obviously have seen your.
It spreads. Like, this is not good, and I love the color, but good Lord.
Well, this is Revlon. It doesn't seem to be. Look at that. I said something and there it is. Dang it. I need. Okay, I need one of those.
I want to know who knows about Tobin. That kind of bothers me that someone knows his name. Have I said Tobin's name?
You talk about Tobin all the time.
Oh, he's my boy.
I try and get you to not do it, but you do
He's
it.
my boy, man. What am I going to do about it?
Not only that, in those videos, I'm almost positive that you're calling his name.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes, that's what I was going to
So we've got one thing, we'll just tantalize you. This is one of the things that's in the giveaway. That Paradigm. It's a cream blush. That's just one of them. Now, Kristen hasn't actually showed me. Now, I do know that we've also got a mascara, some false eyelashes with the glue, some lipstick. What else? Gotta think. I don't know if we have eyeliner or not. I don't think we do. Man, I could do so many looks on this palette just by itself. This to me would have been a lot of makeup, just this one palette. I can't even believe how many palettes I have now. It's kind of too much. For me anyways.
Yeah, we will talk about that.
Thank y'all for all the compliments that you give us. To me, it just means a lot. I don't know, it just does.
I have to blow my nose again.
Well, blow your nose
I'm
again.
about to.
You need a Kleenex?
Yes, I do.
There you go.
And
That's
then
I'm gonna show my final. This is my final look. Oops, did I? Uh-oh, I didn't clean it up. Doggone.
oh my god.
I had no idea I had pink in the corner of my eye. That's something I used to do a long time ago. And I just hope that y'all will participate in our giveaway, because I definitely am excited about giving away these things. Kristen is just like overjoyed.
Yeah, I can't help myself. Okay, I am trying. This is the Air Volume Mega Mascara by, who's this by? Oh, L'Oreal. I'm not sure
I'm the L'Oreal girl.
if this is the one that everybody's wanting, or,
I don't know, honey.
but we will soon see if it works, because I'm just,
Man, I got pimples everywhere on my face.
quit picking.
No, I mean, you can see them, and I've never had blackheads before. This is weird. Huh. I don't know. I like your look. It's very pretty.
Well,
It's very you.
I used the color Mom wanted.
I think it's gorgeous.
Let's see. Okay, guys, well, it's going on, and a very, very, very simple look today. Anybody can do this. My mom wanted a certain color, so
We did a certain color.
that's right.
Yes, we did.
Well, I have to say, this is a pretty good mascara.
Is it? Good,
Yeah, it
good,
is.
good.
Yeah, me likes.
Hey, if you like it on the first try, that's amazing. Yeah, that makes your eyelashes look long. For
Okay.
reals. Boy, so I have a bunch of brushes to clean. I'll do it tomorrow though, I don't care. Manana, oh manana. Doobie-doop-boo, oh doobie-doobie-doop-boo-boo.
Okay.
Alright, y'all know how I feel about this. Love this mascara. When you don't have any eyelashes, it puts them on there. I put too much though.
Okay, this is me. There goes that bird.
Really?
Really, that
I
way.
never get to see it. I'm taking care of this brush. This is the most expensive brush I own.
Okay, guys. No matter where you are, we hope you are well. Stay safe, have fun, and we will see you on the next video.
We love y'all.
Bye, guys.